Today I am going to talk about an easy way of multiplying 11. Like when you are multiplying by 11 to any number, it gets very difficult, right? But today I am going to show you a very easy trick. Okay, 298765, and it is to be multiplied by 11. So just imagine a 0 here on the right side and then 1 0 here on the left side. Now you just have to add the numbers starting from right side. Okay, so just add 5 and 0. What will you get? 5. Then add 5 and 6, 11, in hand 1, and then 6 and 7, 13, 13 and 1, 14. So you write 14, 4, in hand you have 1. Again 7 and 8, 15, 15 and 1, 16, in hand 1, and then 8, 9, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, in hand you got 1. 9 and 2, 11, 11, 1, 12, in hand again 1, 2 and 0, 2, 2 and 1, 3. You can calculate, you can use the calculator and you can check the answer. Okay, one more number I will show you. For example, 298 multiplied by 11. So just imagine a 0 here and then a 0 here. Now just add them. 0 and 8, 8, 8, 9, 17, you got 1 in your hand, and then 9 and 2, 11, 11, 1, 12, in hand 1, 2 and 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So that's our answer. Okay, so any number you can multiply by just plus. Okay, so you should practice it, and after practicing your multiplication will be like this. See, 9, 8, 7 into 1 into 11. Okay, so like I do, 7 and 0, 7, 8, 7, 15, and hand 1, 9 and 17, 1, 18, 9 and 1, 10, like this. But for coming to this level, you have to do practice. Okay, first of all, you understand this one and you practice so many numbers and check it with the calculator, and after that, after 2-3 days, your calculation, your multiplication with 11 will be like this. Even you can do more fast.